Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Tita Sunchanipat. I'm a lecturer at Chiang Mai Rajapat University. Today we're gonna make the chili paste, and let me start with the ingredients. First, I would like to show you the chili, the dry chili. The second one is the red onion, and the third one is the garlic. The fourth one is the pulira seed, and the dry tamarind, salt, vegetable oil, palm sugar. So then when we get everything all ready for the ingredient, we're gonna start with the chili. You're gonna do that with the dry chili. Put on the fire, heat with the low heat. Keep stirring until the chili is crispy, not too dark. Keep stirring. In this time, maybe you need the mat to cover your nose because of the smell. But be careful about the heat. Use the low heat. Keep stirring with the low heat. Then, when we get ready for the chili, we're gonna use the blender to grind it, to make it as a chili powder. And the second thing we will do it, like the chili, we will use the red onion. We heat the pan, and after that we put the red onion on the pan. Keep stirring with the low heat to make sure that the red onion become ready. It looks transparent. Keep stirring and be careful. Use the low heat. Then when we get ready for the red onion, you use the blender to blend it as a red onion paste. After that, you do it with the same with the garlic. Heat the pan with the low heat, and after that, you use the garlic on the pan. Keep stirring with the low heat. It looks transparency, means that it get ready, and after that you use the blender to blend it. And the fourth thing we do with the pulira seed, as the same with the red onion and the garlic. The first thing you should prepare is to prepare the tamarind juice. You use the tamarind and soak it in the warm water. And after that, you make a tamarind juice and get aside of the dish. When the ingredients it's all ready, so you start heating the oil on the pan and use all of the ingredients, the chili powder, the red onion paste, the garlic paste, and the pulira seed paste. Put it on the pan together, and after that you keep stirring it with the low heat. Keep stirring constantly, otherwise it stick on the pan, and if it stick on the pan, you can put the vegetable oil on it to keep it non-stick of the pan. It depends on your like the oil or not. You can add a little bit or you can add more, but make sure you stir it constantly until all the mixture become together, and then you add the salt, 1 teaspoon, and after that, you keep stirring with the low heat. It can keep the stirring for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After that, after you put the salt on the pan and then you put the tamarind juice on it and keep stirring it with the low heat. Stirring constantly until the ingredients mix it together. The time that you look, what you should get ready for that, to look it until it become thickened, the paste to decide consistency. So make sure you keep stirring it with the low heat. It depends on your portion. If your portion is a large one, so it takes time to get it mixed together. So be patient, keep stirring it. Please remember that do not put the palm sugar yet until the mix it together. So be patient, keep stirring it until it becomes thickened. And if you make sure that the ingredients mix together, and then you can add palm sugar, 1 teaspoon. It depends on your design. If you like too more sweet, you can add more. But if you don't like it, you can reduce the portion of the palm sugar. Keep stirring it until it becomes thickened. When the chili paste is get ready, it become a thickened the paste. To decide consistency, you put that in the jar. The jar or the bottle or the container that you will use should be steamed with the steam water to sterilize. And after that, you put the chili paste in the bottle or in the jar, and it can keep it for a long time in the refrigerator, or if you can put in outside, it can take and store that for at least 2 weeks. So enjoy your chili paste. Thank you very much.